Hello everyone, this is Teacher Phway from SLD, and today we will learn how to make question using who and what. Okay, so the sentence here is Paul drinks water. Paul here is the subject and Paul is a person. So if we want to make question, we're gonna use the question word who. So the question is, who drinks water? We use question word who to ask questions about a person. Let's look at it here. Here, the question is, who told you? This question is a subject question. Subject is a person or thing that is doing the action. So that's why who told you is a subject question. What about here? The question is, who did you tell? So this is an object question. Object is a person or thing that is receiving the action. So that's why here, who did you tell is an object question. In subject question, the order of the words is the same as in the statement. So for example, the question is, who wrote Hamlet? To answer it, the order word is the same. So who wrote Hamlet? So you just need to write your answer in who place. So the answer is Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. Let's look at this one here. Who is going to come with me? So here we just need to write our answer in here. So Paul is going to come with me. So in subject question, the order of the words is the same as in the statement. In object question, we use auxiliary such as be, do, have before the subject. So here, who did you meet last night? So you meet somebody, the question is who? Yeah. So here, before subject, we use auxiliary did. And what about here? Who are you going to invite? So we use be, MSR, before the subject. All right, so let's go back to our example. Paul drinks water. So water here is the object. Water is a thing. So if we want to make question, we're going to use the question word what. The question is, what does Paul drink? All right, so we use question word what to ask questions about things. So let's look at it here. What is in this dish? So this is the subject question because something is in it. Yeah. And here, what did you buy at the shops? This is the object question because you bought something. Yeah. Now we will do an exercise here. We're going to write questions using who or what. So for asking about person, you're going to use question word who. Asking about things, you will use question word what. All right, so the first sentence is Eric met somebody. Yeah. So look at this role letter. Somebody is an object, so we will make object question. So the question is, who did Eric meet? What about here? Somebody ate the last piece of cake. Somebody is subject. The question we will use is who. Who ate the last piece of cake? For number one, subject question, we will say who wants some more coffee? Number two also, subject question, but is a thing. So the question is, what happened at the end of the story? And then number three, who is going to pay the bill? Number four, what did he have for breakfast? And five, what did their letter say? 6. Who knows the answer to my question? 7. What did they say? The last one, who is she phoning? All right, now read the story and then complete the question. Yeah, so read it here. I'll give you guys like 2 minutes and we will make some questions. All right, so the first one, the answer is who took his driving test? Yeah. So the question words are already here. You just need to make question, complete question. So what did Robert do 2 days ago? What about he failed it? The question, you need to make question, what happened? So the question is, what happened? And next one, the answer is Robert. How do you make question for this one? Yeah, who took his driving test? And number 3, his driving test. The question you need to use is, you're gonna make is what Robert failed. So the question is, what did Robert fail? And next one is, he said, don't tell anyone. So how do you guys make question for this one? What did Robert say to Philip? The last one is Philip. So the question we make is, who met Linda for coffee? Now let's try this exercise. Make questions using who. So we're gonna ask the person. Yeah. So submarine, the first question is, who invented the submarine? What about this one? Who invented the calculator? This one, who invented the roller skates? And the last one, who invented the hot air balloon? All right, so for this exercise, you need to make questions using what? Yeah, so electric iron. Yeah, so the question we're gonna make is, yeah, what did Henry W. Seeley invent? What about this one? So what did Louis Edison Waterman invent? For this one, what did George Eastman invent? And the last one, what did Rudolf Diesel invent? Well, that's all for today's episode, and thank you.